Number 1. Flash fill. The first method involves typing the first name and then dragging it down to the last row of your data. When you do this, a small icon will appear. Click on this icon and select Flash fill. This fills the data in accordance with your initial instruction. The second approach is to simply type the last name and navigate to the Home tab. From there, locate the Fill button and choose Flash Fill. Lastly, you have the option to modify the data you want to fill. For instance, you can add email addresses based on the names provided in column B. Another way to achieve this is by simply pressing Ctrl-E. The second function is text to columns. This tool is very useful in data management and analysis. With text to columns, we can efficiently divide and organize text into distinct columns. Start by navigating the Data tab on the ribbon above, then click the Text to Columns button. Next, select the Delimited option because we're dealing with data separated by spaces. This method can also be used for any other special characters. Below, you can see a preview of the selected data. Click Next. As mentioned earlier, we are using spaces as our delimiters. If your data includes special characters, you can simply enter them in the Other section. For now, choose space and then click Next. In this section, you can designate your desired destination by clicking the arrow. Finally, click the Finish button. Number 3. Removing duplicate records from your dataset. Start, we'll first identify the items appear more than once. You can do this by clicking on Conditional Formatting. Under Highlight Cells Rules, select Duplicate Values and click OK. Now, we have a clear view of the duplicated entries. Now, we will remove duplicated entries. To do this, click on Data tab above. Take note that you must highlight your dataset first and then click Remove Duplicates. By default, all columns are checked. If left as is, Excel will search for complete duplicate rows based on data in all columns, and delete the entire row when duplicate values in each column are found. However, if you wish to concentrate on a specific column, you have the option to do so. By deselecting unnecessary columns, you can specify the column for focus. In this case, Excel will search for duplicates within the chosen column and delete entire rows containing those duplicates. Number 4. Quick Analysis. Imagine your boss needs an insightful analysis report ASAP. This quick analysis tool is your ticket to delivering results in under 5 minutes. Let's start by highlighting our data. After that, simply press Ctrl-Q or click the icon located at the bottom of your data. Let's experiment with the data bars under the Formatting tab. It swiftly identifies key insights in your data by highlighting the largest to the smallest values. Similarly, the color scheme highlights the extremes. Head over to the Chart section and give the clustered columns a try. When you select this option, it will summarize the total views for each type of content. In this case, you'll see the TV shows have more views than movies. And if this chart isn't your cup of tea, you have the flexibility to customize it. Let's attempt to count by content type. This reveals that in our dataset, TV show outnumber movies in terms of count. Last, but certainly not the least, Goal Seek. Goal Seek stands as a formidable tool within your data analysis arsenal. Picture this scenario. You have a specific target in mind, like achieving a particular number, and you seek to forecast the input values required to reach that objective. Goal Seek steps in to make this happen. For instance, in this video, we have a list of movies and their respective seasons. with an average calculation displayed at the bottom. With goal seek, we can transform this scenario. Suppose we aim to make that average hit the magic number 20. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the Data tab in the ribbon above. Click on What If Analysis and select Goal Seek. Under Set Cell, click on our average cell, or in this case E10, and set its value to 20. In By Changing Cell section, try to designate our magical cell. This cell will help us achieve our objective. Then press OK. As you can observe, GoalSeek automatically calculates the necessary number to reach the target average result.